sea animals and the environment. If the script of marine life is faced by plastic waste, including examples like charging dangerous student from a plastic survey.
What do you learn from this text?
From this text, I learned that plastic pollution is a significant issue for the environment and marine life in Hawaii. The importance of reducing single-use plastic, increasing recycle effort, and understanding the long-term consequences of plastic waste.
Or do you think there are important things I need to know from the text?
First, plastic pollution in the ocean is a serious and increasing problem. Second, plastic waste is very dangerous for marine life. Third, the level of plastic recycling is still very low. Next, the long-term impact of plastic pollution on the marine environment is not fully understood. And finally, single-use plastic is the main problem at this time.